to the CBC,
nakumbuka pia vile vile hao ambao unaona kwenye jukwaa.
We are here to support the children as they showcase the many cultures that we have, the diversity of our nation. And here I'm representing the South African culture.
According to the CBC, we are integrating parents. Today we have all the parents here, and every parent has one like their children. They are integrated in the learning, because about the CBE, we integrate children in learning. I mean parents in learning, because they have to support their learners, and that's why they are here, a way of supporting different cultures. And is one country, many cultures.
Today we are showcasing our culture, starting from retro culture, Scottish culture, Southern American culture, and also the royalty, African royalty.
It's giving opportunities to our children to be able to showcase different cultures, and also to be able to learn from different cultures and what the different cultures normally enjoy.